Imagine a giant factory, alive with the hum of machines and the dance of robotic arms. These machines assemble everything from smartphones to cars, fast, precise, and powerful. But even here, a flaw smaller than a human hair can cause disaster. A tiny crack in a metal beam could one day weaken a bridge. A microscopic defect in a medical device could risk a patient's life. Even a toy car with a sharp, unseen edge can become a hazard. These minuscule mistakes haunt engineers and manufacturers. Sustente de sombra gene anger andrar. How do you find a problem almost invisible to the naked eye? Modern factories are fast and complex, thousands of products made every minute. Even a 1 in a million error can happen several times a day. Flaws can come from misaligned machines, temperature changes, or tiny impurities. The hunt for perfection is relentless, and the stakes are high: safety, trust, and well-being. But now, a powerful new ally is changing the game. For decades, the best tool for finding flaws was the human eye. Quality control inspectors stood watch, scanning products for scratches, weak seams, or air bubbles. Their senses and experience were the last defense against faulty products, but staring at thousands of identical items for hours is exhausting. Even the best inspectors can miss a flaw in a split second. As factories sped up, humans couldn't keep pace, so companies spot-checked, inspecting only a few items from each batch. But what if the flaw was in the one item they didn't check? This system accepted that some mistakes would slip through. The human eye has limits. It can't see microscopic details. It gets tired, and it can't be everywhere at once. Engineers dreamed of a system that could see everything, all the time, and never get tired. That dream is now reality, thanks to artificial intelligence. AI is transforming quality control, making the impossible possible. The era of superhuman inspection has begun. Step into today's factory, where cameras and computers have become the new inspectors. This is AI vision software trained to spot imperfections with superhuman accuracy. Engineers feed the AI millions of images, perfect products and flawed ones. The AI learns to recognize the tiniest differences, patterns invisible to humans. On the line, high-resolution cameras capture every product. The AI analyzes each image in milliseconds, comparing it to its vast memory. It flags defects instantly, and robotic arms can remove faulty items on the spot. AI inspects thousands of products per minute, never tiring or losing focus. It's not about replacing people but giving them a tool to overcome human limits. Humans can now focus on solving complex problems, while AI handles the repetitive, exhausting task of inspection. Together, they're raising the bar for quality and safety. AI inspectors have superpowers, like spotting flaws invisible to the human eye. In glass manufacturing, a tiny bubble can ruin a smartphone screen. AI vision detects these flaws with microscopic precision. In food factories, AI sorts berries by ripeness, using cameras that see beyond human vision, like infrared, to spot bruises before they appear. Every strawberry in your package is perfect, thanks to AI. In printing, AI ensures every soda label is the exact shade of red, catching color variations humans would miss. In car manufacturing, AI scans every weld, checking for strength and consistency down to the sub-millimeter. It creates a complete record of quality for every vehicle. This level of inspection was unimaginable just years ago. AI's consistency means every product meets the highest standard, every time. It's not just about seeing small things, it's about never missing a detail. From food to cars, AI is making our world safer and more reliable. The invisible flaws of yesterday are now caught before they ever leave the factory. That's the power of AI vision. AI's greatest leap isn't just spotting problems, it's predicting them. This is predictive maintenance. AI monitors the machines themselves, listening to sounds, tracking temperatures, and feeling vibrations. It learns the normal rhythm of each machine, detecting tiny changes before a breakdown occurs. Like a doctor spotting symptoms before illness, AI warns engineers when a part is wearing out. Factories used to replace parts on a schedule, or wait for breakdowns, costly and risky. Now, AI helps prevent surprise failures, keeping production running smoothly. Maintenance becomes precise and proactive, not a guessing game. If a 3D printer's nozzle is about to clog, AI alerts technicians to fix it before defects happen. The result: fewer breakdowns, less waste, and safer factories. AI connects machine health directly to product quality. The shift from reactive to proactive keeps factories efficient and reliable. With AI, problems are solved before they even start. Better products mean safer lives, and AI makes that possible. In medical devices like pacemakers, AI inspects every microchip and solder joint, ensuring flawless performance. In cars, AI checks every weld and sensor, preventing accidents before they happen. Everyday items, children's toys, food, electronics, are safer because AI catches flaws early. This relentless pursuit of perfection builds trust and saves lives. Financially, AI reduces waste. Less scrap, less energy, fewer recalls. Companies save millions by catching defects before products reach customers. Less waste also means a greener planet, as resources are used more efficiently. Recalls are costly and damage reputations. AI helps avoid them entirely. The investment in AI pays off in safety, savings, and sustainability. Everyone benefits from smarter, safer manufacturing. Some fear AI will take jobs, but it's really about new partnerships. AI handles repetitive, data-heavy tasks, freeing humans for creative problem-solving. Workers become AI supervisors, data analysts, and robotics coordinators. They train AI, interpret its data, and improve the process. When AI finds a new defect, humans investigate and innovate. The factory of the future is filled with skilled people collaborating with smart machines. Like pilots with autopilot, humans focus on strategy, while AI handles routine. This teamwork leads to better jobs and higher quality. The human-AI partnership achieves what neither could alone. Together, they're building the future of manufacturing. The road to AI-powered factories isn't easy. High upfront costs for cameras, computers, and software can be a barrier, especially for small businesses. Workers need new skills: operating and maintaining AI systems, analyzing data. Training and education are essential for everyone to benefit. Cybersecurity, as critical interconnected systems can be targets for hackers. Protecting AI from tampering is as important as building it. Trust and reliability are also challenges. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. It must be tested and updated constantly. Engineers must monitor performance and adapt to new situations. Building trust takes time and rigorous testing. Overcoming these hurdles is key to unlocking AI's full potential. The journey is challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Picture the factory of the future: clean, safe, and efficient. Robots and AI work in harmony, correcting errors in real time. Every product is flawless. Defects are a thing of the past. This means safer cars, better medical devices, and less waste. People become conductors of this technological symphony, innovators and problem solvers. Tedious jobs are replaced by creative, fulfilling roles. Human-AI partnership unlocks new innovation. The journey is just beginning, but the destination is clear: a world where quality is guaranteed. By harnessing AI, we're not just building better factories, we're engineering a safer, brighter future. The tiny ghosts in the machine are gone, and perfection is within reach.